this moment, we're going to ask Stephen to choose something. It's called right here. It's called button. All right. So it's called button, Stephen. Button. And drag the button to here. To here. No, to here. Okay, good. Very, very good. Okay, very, very good. Great. Okay, so I'm clear that right now. Then I am going to ask you to scroll up here. I'm going to ask you, no, yeah, here. Add the property window. Add the property here. I'm going to ask you drag all the way to the top. And here. And I am going to ask you to type is btnExit. Can you type that? Button. EXIT. Capital E. EXIT, huh? EXIT. Exit. Yeah, sorry. Excuse my English. Okay. So you got that. Then I want you to go down, scroll down, and to find out the text. Go down, alphabetic order. T S M. Okay. Here it say button 1, and I want you to type EXIT. No, honey, exit, EXIT. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you. Press enter. All right. So later you can make it bigger or something. That's okay. Now I need you to do something here right now. I need you double click on this button. Double click. 2-time click. 1, 2. All right. So, and I also need you to do one thing here. Is that okay? I also need you to do one thing here. I want you select window. Select window. Window on here. On the top. Yeah, you see the window here? Go to the right. To the right. You see window?
Tab, sir, because
Yeah. Uh, there's an extension and you see windows. Yeah, you can. Uh-huh. All right, good. Then here I want you select here. No, hold on, just wait for me. I need you to select uh uh new vertical document. New vertical document. Okay, good. Now you are able to see two things right now. Okay, so drag this to the right. Okay, and let me see if there's a way to squeeze this tab to smallest. Okay, so now you have this is designer view, this is programmer's view. All right, this designer view, this programmer view. Charlton, I give you a task because you are TA, you are very smart. So here, I need Steven, tell me one thing. Make this too small as possible. To the left, here.
Okay.
Make your toolbox too small. Yeah, so drag this. Now over here, okay.
Um,
Yeah.
okay, so in order to maximize space, Steven, there's a little bar on your left. No, not window. Just kind of hover over the little, the line between toolbox and tab view. The little more.
Right here.
Right there. Yeah, you saw
Yeah.
the horizontal. Yeah, there you go.
Drag to the left. Yeah.
Drag to the left. Nope. Okay, that's a little too much, but
that's okay right now.
yeah.
Okay, so you see you have design view and you have programmer's view. Is that right? Okay. Now I need you to practice how to write program right now to control this. All right. So at line number three. Okay, you see line number 3. Then I'm going to type it and you follow me to that. So you type me, and da. You see the me, da, and type close, CLOSE, and this is a function. You see right here, it tell you the right hand side here. I'm sure you see these. Don't. I'm sure you see these. It kind of tell you you need to have a parenthesis around it. It tell you that. Okay. So what you need to do is add left and right parentheses. Left parentheses. Yeah, good. That's it. Let me see what happened. Because yeah, that's it. Okay, now you done right now. Okay, so can you build it? Can you build it? Build solution. Okay, and can you debug? Start without debugging. Okay, you need to do new share. Sorry, new share to see your exe file, please. All right. So
Right.
new share to show your exe file. All right, great. That's your exe file, right? So do me a favor right now. You click on exit. Click on exit. Click it. The file closed. Is that right? Does the file close?
Yes.
Yeah. So now this is the first time you learn use code to control your program. To control your program. Okay. So you read a video at home. We you know,